Okay, to find the x-intercepts, you put 0 in for y. And then you just look. This is already factored. So the x values that will make this true is x equals 4 and x equals negative 9. Down here you put in 0 for y. And again, you got to figure out it's a times b is equal to 0. So either this part has to be 0 or this part has to be 0. So we got to figure out what value of x will make this part 0. So we just ask an equation. What value of x will make 3x minus 4 equals 0? We solve this by adding 4 to both sides and then dividing by 3 to get x equals 4/3, which is equal to 1 1/3, or 1.3 repeating. Here we want to know what value of x will make 2x plus 1 equals 0, so we write that equation. We subtract 1 from both sides, divide by 2, and get x is equal to negative 1/2. Here, this won't actually be a parabola when you graph it. It's y is equal to x times the quantity x minus 7 times the quantity x plus 5. We substitute 0 in for y, and we got to ask ourselves, what value of x? It's a times b times c is equal to 0. So any of these being 0 will make the product equal 0. So what values of x will make it work? Well, x can be 0, because then it will be 0 times who cares times who cares. X can be 7, because then it'll be who cares times 0 times who cares. And then here x can be negative 5, because then it'll be negative 5 times who cares times, but 0 here. So these are the three x-intercepts. You can graph them all. Again, this one won't be a parabola, but it will cross the x-axis at 0, 7, and negative 5.